In a world that's constantly evolving, where speed and focus are the keys to success, the cryptocurrency market, a dynamic space that never sleeps, is witnessing incredible growth. Every day a multitude of individuals join this digital revolution, investing their money and witnessing substantial returns. But in this fast-paced world, where every second counts, only those who move swiftly and adapt to change emerge as winners. And now introducing the latest contender in the crypto arena, PetitCoin. PetitCoin isn't just another cryptocurrency, it's the future of digital currency with a purpose-driven ecosystem. Our ambitious project includes an online store that proudly accepts PetitCoin payments, paving the way for a seamless and efficient transaction experience. But that's not all, we believe in giving back to the community. PetitCoin is committed to supporting nonprofit foundations that work tirelessly to help abandoned pets find loving homes. Education is another cornerstone of our vision. PetitCoin will provide scholarships to outstanding students and high-performance athletes, empowering the next generation to reach new heights. And if you're a fan of the digital art world, get ready for our NFT market. PetitCoin is set to become a hub for unique and valuable digital assets. But that's not the end of our journey. By 2027, we're embarking on a groundbreaking venture, the construction of homes. PetitCoin aims to make a lasting impact on the real world. Welcome to the ambitious PetitCoin ecosystem. It's more than just a cryptocurrency, it's a movement towards positive change. Don't miss out on this opportunity to be a part of something bigger. Join us now by participating in the PetitCoin token distribution. The future is now and PetitCoin is leading the way. Together let's shape a better tomorrow with PetitCoin.